we've got a few slowdowns already, big slowdowns actually. Let's start things off here in Connecticut. On the Turnpike, Connecticut Turnpike northbound side, all lanes remain shut down because of an accident. Exit 8 out to exit 9. If you needed to make your way through the area, Route 1 right now is still a pretty quiet ride both ways. Heading a little further down, New England Thruway southbound side has construction. 2 lanes are closed here. Exit 16 down to exit 14. Hutchinson River Parkway would be the way to go. And the Alexander Hamilton Bridge traffic still at a standstill here on the westbound side. These delays are heading all the way back to Jerome Avenue. That's because of construction at the George, taking out a couple lanes on that upper deck. And then Van Wyck Expressway southbound, exit 6 down to exit 5, also seeing construction. Darlene, back to you. Yesterday as well. Heading onto the roadways here, Northern State Parkway eastbound completely shut down for construction. Exit 40 out to exit 41. You want to stick to the LIE instead, but the LIE eastbound side is closed between exit 37 and exit 39. So through here, you want to stick with the Northern State Parkway. Alexander Hamilton Bridge traffic still at a standstill westbound into the George Washington Bridge because of that upper deck construction, closing down multiple lanes. Darlene, back to you.
Thank you, Adele.
Off here on the Taconic State Parkway, northbound side, we're watching a crash that's taking out a lane right by the Sawmill River Parkway. Expect to see some slowdowns as you make your way through the area. Heading a little further down here, New England Thruway southbound, some lingering construction closes down 2 lanes. Exit 16 down to exit 14 if you needed to make your way through the area. The Hutch is always a great option for you. And then the Alexander Hamilton Bridge, those delays have finally eased out here heading into the George. Construction has completely wrapped up at the George itself. And then just keep in mind, Turnpike northbound outer roadway still closed for road work. Exit 8A out to exit 14. That's all for now. Back to you, Darlene.
All right, thank you very much.
Taking it back to the roadways here, heading straight out to the Gowanus Expressway. Eastbound side, you've got some slowdowns as you make your approach into the Brooklyn Bridge. Delays picking up on the LIE westbound over by the Grand Central. Alexander Hamilton Bridge still looking pretty good, and those earlier delays on the Harlem River Drive have eased out. That's all for now. Back to you, Darlene.
All right, thank you very much.